If your headline feels boring to you or sounds fake or doesn't really put out what you bring to the table, keep watching. Hi, I'm Karishmaa, a model, anchor, author turned LinkedIn personal branding and corporate employee branding expert. And in today's video, I'll help you set up your LinkedIn headline from scratch, step by step. Keep watching until the end because I'll be giving you proven templates and my free tool that I have built for my clients that came up. Your LinkedIn headline is the single most valuable asset on your profile. It appears when you send out any kind of connection request, in your DMs, or even when you're making comments. LinkedIn works like Google, and it is your headline that works even when you're sleeping. Because stronger the keywords in your headline, there are higher chances of your profile getting ranked higher. Now, I want you to do a small experiment with me. I want you to go to your LinkedIn and search your job role. Now, when you search your job role, let's say I'll come right here and search social media manager. Now, select people and look at these headlines that come up. I bet most of them will say job at company. That's LinkedIn's default format and it's doing no good to you. Now look at these two. Person A that says manager at XYZ Limited and person B that says operations manager, supply chain optimization, reduced cost by 28% in FMCG, 12 plus years of leadership. Which catches your attention? I'm sure it is option B, because option B specifies the result that the person has created. It talks to you about that person's expertise and it clearly tells you what that person does and how will it benefit you if you were to approach them. Now, I am going to walk you through a 5-step process that will help you wear a LinkedIn headline exactly like this. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I have built a tool that will help you get this kind of result. Check out the description, grab the tool, open it in a tab right next to this video because we'll do your headline step by step together alongside the video. Now, step number 1 is to find your keywords. Now, when you're in the tool, I'd also request that you have your LinkedIn account or any LinkedIn window opened. Go to LinkedIn and search for your job profile. You will see a couple of jobs open up on the left panel and on the right you will see their job descriptions written. I want you to copy paste 4 to 5 of them in this free tool. The first section is to find your keywords. Just copy paste all of these and click extract my keywords. Now this tool automatically pulls the most repeated high value keywords. You'll see them appear as clickable chips. Just click on the ones that resonate with your job role and you the most. These are exact words that will be now included in the headline that we'll be building further and the words that your ideal audience usually uses to search up a person like you or a profile like yours. And if you have attended my EOP program live, we've built this together and I'm sure you've experienced the magic. Before we move further to step 2, I would request you to take a second, hit the like button. It motivates me to build more such tools for you, to bring more such masterclasses for you. Now, step 2 is to pick a template. I want you to scroll down on the tool, and once you scroll down on the tool, you will see that there are 3 different templates. Pick a template based on your career stage. So let's say, if you've been in the industry for 1 year or let's say 2 years, or if you are still an intern, choose the first template which is for early career and fresh professionals. Or let's say you have been working for 3 to 4 years now or are at a managerial level, at a senior level. Go for template 2, which is for mid-level leaders and consultants. Template number 3 is for CXOs, founders, and senior leaders. Now, once you select these templates, there are certain questions on the screen, which is your step 3. You can pause the video, go grab a diary and a pen, write down these answers and then fill them in or directly fill them in here. If you see with each of these questions, there are small prompts written so that you can answer the questions better. One thing I'd like to tell you is that while you answer these questions, you don't need to worry about your grammar, your English. What you need to really take care of is putting in-depth answers. The more details you put while answering these questions, the better headline we'll be able to create. Now for step number 3, your first question is, what impact have I delivered at scale? Include a number if possible, a percentage, revenue figure, or a team size. For example, let's say you're a social media manager. Your answer could be, grew Instagram following from 0 to 5,000 in 8 months and increased brand engagement by 3x. Now, question number 2 is who or what market do I serve? Be very specific with your industry, company type. For example, D2C beauty and lifestyle brands in India. Be hyper specific about geography if possible. Now, question number 3 is what makes my expertise different? Talk about your method, your background, combination of skills that you have and others might not have. For example, combining data analytics with visual storytelling to drive organic growth without paid ads. Be as honest as you can while answering these questions. Now, before I move further to step 4, I would request you to hit thumbs up, share this with someone who's trying to grow their LinkedIn. It takes months and months to be able to build such masterclasses and to be able to build these tools for you. It will genuinely motivate me to keep doing the great work. Now, step number 4 is to build your prompt. Once you've answered all of these questions, hit the Build My Prompt button. This tool assembles a complete, ready-to-use prompt based on answers from your template. Copy paste the entire prompt. Open ChatGPT, it's absolutely free, you all know. Copy paste it and you'll get multiple headline options. Okay, so let's read it out. First one is social media strategist, performance and brand growth, data-driven content strategies, D2C beauty and lifestyle, platforms, messaging and engagement specialist. Number 2, result-led. Social media and performance strategist grew 0 to 50K in 8 months, 3 times engagement, organic brand growth, D2C beauty and lifestyle, platforms, messaging and engagement. Number 3, which is an audience first kind of a headline, helping D2C beauty and lifestyle brands build engaging social platforms, social media and performance strategies, brand messaging, organic growth and engagement. Now, this prompt will always generate headlines which are within LinkedIn's character limit. It will always give you a headline with vertical slash separators. In case you'd want to do anything further, you might want to add some emojis here and there, maybe 1 or 2, because it helps improve readability. And do it only if it suits your industry, otherwise not required. Now, let's go ahead and publish your headline. Go to your LinkedIn profile and click Edit. Scroll down and paste your headline, hit save. Done! Your headline is now working for you 24 hours a day. Once again, if you still haven't downloaded my headline tool, go grab it from the description. It took me months and months to build. We use it for all our clients at Kmark. I'm giving it away to you for free. Once you're done updating your headline, connect with me on LinkedIn, show it to me, and I'd genuinely love to see what you create. In case you didn't know, this video is a part of my LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass. We've already covered profile picture and we'll be covering more segments step by step in depth. So if you still haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and send it to someone who's trying to grow on LinkedIn. It motivates me to keep bringing more such masterclasses for you. Alright, this is Karishmaa Singhal signing off. See you in the next video.